Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve square root of 5353 square minus 2828 square divided by 7373 plus 2828. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I am taking the numerator part and here I am going to use the identity, that is a square minus b square, a plus b or a minus b. So we can write this as 5353 plus 2828 or 5353 minus 2828. With the denominator 7373 plus 2828 with under root now. If we add 5353 with 2828, we get 8181 times, and when we subtract, we get 2525. With square root of 7373 plus 2828. Now 8181 we can write it as 81 times 101. Similarly 25 as 25 times 100. Divided by 7373 we can write it as 73 times 101 plus 28 times 101. That's square root. Now square root. So in the numerator we can write 81 times 25 times 101 times 101. And from the denominator, if I'll take 101 as common, so what is left? 73 plus 28. And 73 plus 28 is square root. Here 81 times 25 times 101 times 101 by 101 times 101. So we can eliminate numerator, denominator 101. So what is left? Square root of 81 times 25. So 81, as we know, this is a square of 9 and 25 is a square of 5. So plus minus 9 times 5 is 45. As negative cannot be the square of any number, so the final value is plus 45 only. So without using calculator, we can do this type of problem, solve like this. I hope you like it and you understand. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.